From empowerment program to the health sector. But this time, the Lagos State government has received 7 ventilators from the Chinese to intensify the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the Chinese team presented the equipment to the State Ministry of Health at Alausa in Ikeja.
When the COVID-19 virus found its way to Lagos in 2020, the state government had a tough time battling with cases. While the struggle was ongoing, the Commercial Nerve Center got support from different groups, including the Chinese government. While the cases of COVID-19 is still coming up, China is donating 7 ventilators to the Lagos State Ministry of Health to treat patients with COVID-19 virus.
The past 2 years, the pandemic has posed great challenges to the whole world, and people suffer great losses. The assistance from Nigerian hospitals and medical professionals has helped Chinese communities manage to cope with the pandemic. On behalf of the Chinese Consulate General, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the excellent medical services and professionals for their care and support to the local Chinese community in the past years. Today, we donate 7 ventilators to 4 of the best public hospitals as a way to show our thanks to the Lagos State, to the Ministry of Health, to the hospitals and medical staff. I'm sure the equipment will contribute to the fight against COVID-19 and benefit more Chinese and Nigerians. With our joint effort, we are certain the cloud will be swept away and bright sunshine will be on every one of us.
The state government says the equipment will go a long way in saving the lives of patients in intensive care centers.
This is definitely not the first donation the Chinese government is making to Lagos State during in response to COVID. In the thick of COVID, we did receive quite a few consumables from the Chinese government that were extremely useful to us in fighting off wave after wave of COVID. And now we're receiving this donation of 7 ventilators, ostensibly for as part of the response to COVID, but I mean all of us here that are medical professionals realize that right now we're trying to strengthen our emergency response in Lagos State, and this would be extremely useful to strengthen ICUs all across our general hospitals. So this is something that we will definitely use very wisely and very gratefully. Those also who have any dealings with provision of equipment will know that ventilators are not cheap equipment. They cost quite a bit. And so for the Chinese government to deem it fit to provide us 7 of them, we really do need to express our gratitude.
Medical professionals in the public hospitals will also be trained on how to operate the equipment.
These 7 units of ventilators donated today will be installed, and staff will be trained by Africa Med and Aeon Med after the donation. Africa Med, with its mission to improve the healthcare system by establishing a healthcare bridge between China and Africa. While Aeon Med is the biggest manufacturer of intensive care and theater equipment in China, both of us have specialists and engineers based in different African countries, inclusive of Nigeria. And we offer the training and after-sales support for our respective equipment.
As the Lagos State government acquires more sophisticated equipment to upgrade facilities in the public health sector, residents are being advised to continue to practice safety protocols and curb the spread of the deadly virus.